Hey there guys, it's Rick Utzer here, and we are filming at night. Can you tell? It's windy, we're up on top of a hill, and the reason we're doing this is I've finally got my Thor, my ATN Thor. This is the thermal scope, and this is what this thing is designed to do. It's amazing. Okay, so I've done some, night hunts with the ATN optics. The day-night scopes are great. I'm still going to keep using those because in the daytime, they work really, really well. Thermal's not so great in the day because everything's hot, at least out here in Texas. But when it comes to nighttime, oh my God, the difference between the day-night, like the night vision, quote unquote, and the thermal is so unbelievable that there's really only one way I can really show you that, and that is to kind of show you like side-by-side comparison. So what I've got is I took my Bushnell night vision scope out, and the reason I took that is because it's got an integrated IR, and it actually works really well when we're at a fixed distance. I'm 30 to 40 yards out. I've got clear line of sight. I'm in a stand. That thing works great. Gives me some really good footage. It's as clear as my ATN optic. But when you compare that to what you get with thermal, there's really no comparison. So this video, I really wanted to kind of talk to you guys about the differences between night vision and thermal and let you guys just see the difference. It's incredible. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some footage, side-by-side stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think thermal's worth it? Well, let me just tell you, if you hunt at night and you want to be successful, thermal is, it is hands down the way to go. Yes, I know it's more money, but I'm telling you, if you're serious about your night hunts, thermal. That's all I gotta say. Guys, enjoy the footage, and we got more stuff coming up. We're gonna be doing a lot of hunting with this rig. Of course, I've got it on my Evan X 30 cal semi-automatic. This is gonna be my coyote gun. They're coming around the ranch again, so sort of going out, seeing what we can see. We're gonna go thermal because it's awesome. Guys, thanks for watching.